The future of fashion is likely to be shaped by a number of trends and factors, including sustainability, technology, and changing consumer preferences. Sustainability will continue to be a major trend in the fashion industry, as consumers become more aware of the environmental impact of clothing production and demand more eco-friendly options. This may lead to a rise in sustainable materials and production methods, as well as a focus on reducing waste and creating circular fashion models. Technology is also likely to play a significant role in the future of fashion, with the development of new materials, manufacturing processes, and wearable technology. This may include innovations such as 3D printing, smart fabrics, and augmented reality shopping experiences. Changing consumer preferences will also shape the future of fashion, with a growing demand for more personalized and inclusive options. This may lead to a rise in customizable clothing, as well as a greater emphasis on inclusivity in sizing and design. To expand further, the future of fashion will also see a shift towards ethical and socially responsible production methods. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the working conditions of those involved in the production of their clothing and are looking for brands that prioritize fair labor practices. Furthermore, as the world becomes more digitally connected, fashion is likely to become even more global and diverse. Consumers will have access to a wider range of styles and trends from different parts of the world, and fashion brands will need to be able to adapt to these changing tastes. Another trend that may shape the future of fashion is the rise of rental and resale models. With more consumers looking for ways to reduce waste and lower their carbon footprint, renting or buying second-hand clothing may become a more popular option. This may also lead to a shift away from fast fashion and towards more timeless, durable clothing that can be worn for years to come. Another trend that may shape the future of fashion is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI can help fashion brands with everything from predicting the latest trends to optimizing supply chains and reducing waste. For example, AI algorithms can analyze consumer data and social media trends to identify emerging fashion styles and colors, which can help designers create new collections that are more likely to be popular. Moreover, as consumers become more conscious of the environmental impact of fashion, we are likely to see a greater emphasis on closed-loop production systems. This means that materials used in the production of clothing will be recycled or repurposed at the end of their life cycle, rather than being discarded. Clothing brands are also likely to shift towards using renewable energy sources to power their factories and reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, the future of fashion is likely to be influenced by the continued growth of sustainable and ethical fashion movements. Consumers are increasingly interested in brands that prioritize sustainability, ethical production methods, and fair labor practices. This trend is likely to drive innovation in materials and production processes that are less harmful to the environment, and create more equitable and sustainable employment opportunities in the fashion industry. Another trend that may shape the future of fashion is the use of blockchain technology to increase transparency and traceability in the fashion supply chain. By using blockchain, fashion brands can provide consumers with detailed information about the materials used in their clothing, as well as the production methods and working conditions of those involved in the manufacturing process. This can help consumers make more informed decisions about the clothing they buy and ensure that brands are held accountable for their sustainability and ethical practices. Moreover, the future of fashion is likely to be influenced by the increasing demand for customization and personalization. With the rise of digital technologies, fashion brands can create personalized experiences for consumers, such as virtual try-on tools and personalized